Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Stumble Guys game has been stopped. To know how to fix or how to solve Stumble Guys game has been stopped, you should just go to settings as you see and you will click. After that, in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will go down to search about Stumble Guys and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end of all these steps, you can go to your airplane mode, you will turn on. Then you can turn off your airplane again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.